everyone, my name is Krishna Priliano. Nice to meet you even we just meet between the screen. In this video I will talk about what I learned from the material of speaking of debate in this semester for fulfilling the midterm test. But first of all, I apologize to Miss Berta for being late to upload my work because I had too much pressure at my job, and then I've lost my focus on my major. I hope you understand, ma'am. I know it's my fault. I promise I'll be better on the next. Okay. So guys, in our first meeting in the class, we talked about the concept of debate. What is debate? Debate is a process that involves formal discourse on a particular topic, often including moderator and audience, and the purpose of debate is for students to generate effective critical thinking into primary issues in the given topic. The part of debate contains introduction, statement of facts, confirmation or proof, refutation or rebuttal, and conclusion. And then we also learn about academic debate. Academic debate is a formal argumentation match in which two opposing side teams propose of refute or given proposition statement or attack the validity of a motion in a series of speech. And then we learn about arguments. What is arguments? Arguments is an interaction that involves two or more individuals responding to one and another claims, which it's not simply restating but more supporting, modifying, or defending. So why we argue? The answer is to clarify thinking as individuals or helps individuals and group learn about the issues. There are two types of argument, guys. There are deductive argument and inductive arguments. So the deductive argument is an argument that presented to be valid and cannot have a false conclusion. On the other hand, inductive argument is an argument that strength comes in degrees that not supposed to be valid. It means might be strong or weak, not true or false. There are also basic component of arguments that we learn. It contains claim, reason, support, and warrant. In my opinion, learning this major and the materials have too much values for us. As stated in the purpose of debate before, it can generate effective critical thinking. So as I can summarize, debate is a process that involves formal discourse on a particular topic. Also, academic debate is a formal argumentation match in which two opposing side teams propose or refute or given proposition, statement, or attack the validity of a motion in a series of speech. So guys, before I finish, may I give you all example of basic component, basic element of argument. Okay, basic component of argument or claim. Claim is about statement what you believe or should be done, and then reason is a statement that support a given claim that could hypothetical challenge. And the next is support is a form of evidence as a substantiates the reasons offered and help audience to accept an advanced claim. And the last is warrant is the interference or assumption that connect the support to the claim. And before I close this video, I'll talk the last is basic element of argument. There are four elements for I'm sorry basic element of argument. It contains four elements. For example, number one, a thesis statement. Number two, an audience to be convinced of thesis statement. Number three, exigence. It means the need to make an argument at a certain time. And number four is grounds. It's about reason or premises that support the thesis. So guys, that's all I can talk about the material of speaking for debate. I really apologize if my explanation is undetailed or maybe just point by point, or maybe not complex explanation. I'm so sorry, but may this video can help you and can fulfill my midterm test. I have a big hope. Okay, thank you and peace out.